y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Marissa Ray. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So today's video, I am basically transforming my headband wig to like a half wig, which it kind of already is a half wig, but I wanted to do this cute up, half down style with obviously my real hair in the front here, and then the rest of it being the wig. If you do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do that. My Instagram name is marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen as well as down below in the description box. Before we even get any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can always keep up with your girl. And turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. So let's go ahead and get into these products. So of course, I'm starting off using a water bottle, a spray bottle. To moisturize my hair, I'm using the Carol's Daughters Moisture Butter and Mielle's leave-in conditioner. And then I'm using Jamaican black castor oil to seal all that in. To detangle, I need a Denman brush, a hard bristle brush. I need a wide tooth comb to comb everything out, an edge brush or a toothbrush, some ponytail holders. I use the ones that don't break your hair off, hair pins, bobby pins, and some hair clips, okay? Those are all the tools that you need. Now for the hair, I ended up getting last year a 22-inch Kinky curly wig. It's a headband wig from CurlyMe hair, I think is the name of it. I like this wig because it's very easy to use and manageable, but the headband part that was attached to it at first, it kind of like broke off after a few uses, so that's no longer there. And it does have combs on the inside of this wig, so it was pretty easy to use. Alright, that's everything you're going to need for this video. Now, if you like this style, obviously you do because you're still watching. But, you know, if you like it, go ahead and like this video like I said. And make sure you keep watching to see the final result of how I got this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so y'all already know I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. Again, y'all know I never start a style off without doing those 3 steps, okay? So first off, we are sectioning the back part of my hair because we're about to start moisturizing, okay? This is going to be pretty much the same steps as if I do a wash and go. So I'm just going to take my hair section by section. First thing I'm going to do actually is apply some Jamaican black castor oil to my scalp. I always do this so my scalp will not be dry, especially under a protective style, okay? So when I do that, I just rub it in. I'm gonna put this little t-shirt around my neck so that, you know, my shirt don't get wet and all of that. Then that little back section that I took, I'm just going to separate it into 2. And these are pretty much the section sizes that I'm going to be taking to moisturize my hair, okay? So first thing I do, just add some water with my spray bottle. Then I'm going to go in with that pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. And on top of that, after a few seconds here, I'm going to go in with the Carol's Daughters Moisture Butter to seal it all in. And then Jamaican black castor oil on top of that. This is what I'm going to be doing throughout the whole entire head to section it off and to moisturize. And then I'm just going to twist that section up. So I'm going to have multiple twisted sections in my head, basically to moisturize my hair. Okay, so once those few twists in the back are done, I'm just going to section off the front part of my hair. This is going to be the part where my wig is going to go. The headband wig, this is where it's going to go. So I need to take a small section, like on the whole top little half of my hair, to give myself like enough space for the wig to go, but also enough hair in the front. That way when I do the ponytail in the front, it looks seamless and it doesn't look like I'm actually wearing a wig. You know what I'm saying? So you can make this as perfect or as not as perfect as you want. It really doesn't matter, because when you throw the wig on and then you put the wig up with your hair in the ponytail, it's really, no one really is going to see that. You know what I'm saying? So you can just do it how you want and then section those little pieces off, because you're going to moisturize those pieces as well. Okay, so all the twists are in my head and the back, and I have my two front sections. In the front, this is what's going to create the ponytail. Now what I'm going to do, typically, you know, under a wig you would do braids. Girl, I don't have time for that, so I decided to put those little twists in a ponytail as small as I possibly could, okay? Because all this big curly hair that I'm finna put on my head, you are not going to be able to tell that it's twists in the back. You're just not going to be able to tell. So now this is the whole point in sectioning that first front part of your hair off. You're going to place the wig on your head and place those little combs that's on the side. You're going to actually put them into your hair. Try to be gentle though, because they can kind of pull and tug, like, and it can be a little bit painful. So make sure the combs are in your hair good and close up, like as close up as possible to your actual part. That way you can, you know, make sure the wig is not sliding off, make sure it's secure and all of that. Alright, so now I'm about to begin forming my ponytail. So I'm just going to take these twists out, and y'all see how close up the wig is to my actual part. That's how you want it to be, so you have enough space. So I'm just going to section off like kind of a small to large piece or roll, I guess you should say, for the wig, so that I can form the ponytail with my hair and the wig hair. And I ended up grabbing more hair because you don't want the ponytail to look all thin and stuff. You want it to be a thick enough ponytail, but make sure it's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but y'all can see what I'm doing. Make sure it's like enough hair that you're covering, you know, your hair on the side where the part is and all that, but then also enough hair to, like, you know, form a good and nice thick ponytail. And now I'm just taking that Denman brush to comb out all the kinks and curls that's at the top of my hair. And I'm trying my best to blend in my hair with the wig, obviously. So I'm taking my Eco Styler gel. I believe it's the olive oil one, the green tube. And I'm just going to place that all on my hair. And then I'm just going to brush it all up with my hard bristle brush to form my ponytail. And so once the ponytail is done, I'm going to take my hair because, okay, so my hair is not, you know, as long as the wig hair, right? So I need to disguise it somehow. So I decided to go ahead and wrap my hair using some Eco Styler gel. I wanted to wrap my hair around the base of the ponytail so that it looks more, you know, seamless and like it's actually my hair. So I just wrapped it around however many times, and then I'm going to take a bobby pin to secure it, and I'm also going to take a few hairpins, I think, and secure that as well, just so that it doesn't unravel. And y'all gonna see me in a few seconds. I'm gonna take some Got2b glue spray and just spray that around the base of the ponytail so that my hair, you know, stays wrapped around the base. So what I'm doing now is just spraying my water bottle all over the wig hair, and I'm just going to apply the same products that I used on my real hair to this wig. So I'm going to use that leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to use the only a little bit of some foam, the what is it, the Lotta body foam and mousse, I think. I'm going to use that. And I didn't use quite as much as I would like in my regular hair, because this hair is much lighter, you know, and all that. So you don't need as much of a heavy product. Mostly you just need like a leave-in conditioner and a foam mousse, something like that. And of course I'm just slicking up the base of my hair. And I'm also going to add a few more hairpins because I felt like my hair was kind of like loose. It wasn't staying, so I needed to definitely add more in order to make sure it was very nice and secure. So after applying the Got To Be Glue spray, I just went ahead and took the blow dryer around the base of the ponytail. That way I made sure it was nice, dry, and secure. And then in a few seconds here, I'm just going to be laying my edges. Y'all know I always have to do this. Lay the baby hairs, tie it all the way down, and then that's pretty much it for the style. I just let it air dry, and that's pretty much it. And then it gets all big and cute. And you can use a pick if you want to like make it bigger once it's dry. Or you can just leave it as is, give it that wet look. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Alright y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this hairstyle tutorial, doing my little half up, half down with my wig. Very easy and simple, like, and it's still a protective style, you know, because my hair is like up and away outside of like my edges and stuff right here. But that's just it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you definitely turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. I have fun doing this hairstyle with y'all. Please make sure you go ahead and click the link down below to see my previous videos. I have some cute natural hair videos, some cute braided hairstyles that you can do for summer and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all and I love y'all. I hope y'all are feeling blessed. And even if you don't feel blessed, you are blessed. Always know that, okay? I love y'all. Mwah. Bye.